Walmart Marketplace is booming in the USA and sellers are making millions. Our recent report shows that by mid-2025, Walmart hits over 200k active sellers with 44,000 new ones joining in just 5 months. That's crazy growth, guys. And here is the fun part. After Amazon, Walmart has become the next big playground. A lot of Amazon sellers are already crushing it here. For example, this brand got a couple of best-selling items of Amazon, and guess what? Those same products are now blowing up on Walmart too. So if you are an Amazon seller and want to expand your business, you must consider selling on Walmart as well. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process you can follow to start making money on Walmart. Well, the first step is sign up for the Walmart Marketplace. Like any other marketplace, the process is simple. Simply go to the Walmart Marketplace. Now you need to click on Join Marketplace. This page will appear. Now fill up this with the necessary information such as name, business name, country, EIN, and all that below sections. After all this, click on Create Account. You may have to wait for 1 business days to 4 weeks to be approved. Once you are approved, then you need to set up the account, and for that you will need these things. You will need a business tax ID or license, proof of business name and address, solid e-commerce experience. Oh, by the way, your product must have GTIN or UPC codes. Once you have got everything ready, you are all set. Now, the big question is, what product should you sell? If you already have products, that's awesome. If not, the product research is your next step. And when you are choosing, you really need to answer 3 simple questions. What's the demand? How tough is the competition? And is it profitable? From these charts, you can see grocery leads on Walmart about 59%. Next is general merchandising with 24%, and then health and wellness, and finally other categories. So you already know where the demand is. To dig deeper, tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout can help. You can X-ray in Helium 10. This is for the product research. You can find how competitors doing, what types, what items sell the most, and all the other necessary info. So you can check this out. Alright, you got your product. Now the next step is how to list properly. From Seller Central, click Catalog and then Add Items. This page will appear. Now here you see 3 options such as Create items, import items. Well, now this one is interesting. If you are an Amazon seller, you can import Amazon listing here. And then API. Anyway, click create items. You can add single or multiple items here. I am going with first one. Alright, first we need to add product ID. For me, it's GTIN. Now give your SKU here. We can also use AI here to make content. That's an interesting thing, but I'm not surprised because AI is the new normal right now. Now add product name. Make sure you put highly searchable keywords in your title and product description with SEO indexing. And add the key features. You can use up to 5 key features. So make sure you highlight a specific benefit or feature of your product. Your features should be concise and easy to read. Also focus on what matters most to the customer, like product uses, benefits, or unique selling points. Next up, categorization. This will be auto-filled based on your product name. However, if that doesn't match, you can choose by yourself. Click Other and then add category, subcategory, and then product type. In our case, our category matched properly, so we keep it. Now move on. Here we need to add brand name. Now select the fulfillment method. You can choose either one. Walmart Fulfill Services or Seller Fulfilled. By the way, Walmart charges 15% less than Amazon FBA, so I will suggest you should use WFS. Anyway, for this demo, I am keeping it Seller Fulfilled. After that, we need to add images. We can drag and drop from here. Also, we can use URL link for the images. Now from here, you need to add all the necessary information. First come logistics and transportation. Fill these up according to your information. Now fill the basic info item section and then product content insight section. After that, you need to fill up compliance. You need to add product contents. Here you need to add age group, product depth, height, weight, product count, all the necessary info regarding items. And the last thing is to add pricing. Give your price here. After all are done, hit submit. And our listing is done. Our listing will be added in the website, but we need to keep patience for 15 minutes or maybe a few hours, not longer than that. Alright, that's all for today. But if you have any confusion or question, let us know in the comment below. Also, you can email us at info@ecomclips.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.